All right, here we are in Nashville, Tennessee. We're about to head to Fortified Health Security in Franklin, Tennessee, and get to meet some of those IT professionals right there. Let's go ahead and get on the van and we'll get going.
Fortified Health Security is a MSSP who provides services to healthcare companies and hospitals solely. We're 100% focused on healthcare security and furthering healthcare organizations along their security journey.
Specific challenges in the healthcare industry, one is that almost every device is a sensitive device or it is a patient-facing device. So we have to be very sensitive about when and what we do.
The technologies that we're protecting in hospitals a lot of times are linked specifically to a human person that is laying in a bed or on an operating table.
DLP, data loss prevention, is a big topic as far as healthcare goes, and definitely one of the things that we focus on here at Fortified Health Security.
My advice for somebody who wants to get into the IT security or cybersecurity field is kind of start a little bit lower. Maybe start with an A+ or Network Plus and work your way up.
Don't underestimate the value of starting on a help desk or as a systems administrator. There is a lot of value in being a security engineer and jumping right in and getting that experience.
Definitely come in with a willingness and eagerness to learn and be teachable.
Have a passion. Get to know your IT infrastructure, understand your operating systems, what vulnerabilities exist or what a vulnerability even is, what an exploit is, and understanding the tools that are in use. And if you have a passion to do that and have those base understanding, you're a prime candidate to be a great cybersecurity engineer.
All right, so that was our visit right there at Fortified Health Security, and we found out a couple of different things. This area is hot for, of course, healthcare IT, as well as Tim Broom establishing a company putting record, an outsider coming in and taking the actual record, and that means, well, we are ready for our next stop. So we'll see you there.
Uh-oh! Uh-oh!